Hi everyone, welcome back plant friends. If you're new here, hi, I'm Angela. It's so good to see you guys. Anyways, per Martin's request, hey dude, what we're gonna do today is talk about my favorite types of pothos plants. Okay, so like I said, we're gonna go through all of the pothos plants that I have here in the house and talk about my favorites. And you probably all can relate. But anyways, my first pothos, that's how I say it, that I got was actually a wish list plant for me. And it was, well, I'll show you the exact plant. This silver satin. I got it at a nursery. I think I paid like $20 for it, which was like at my high end. And it's not very, what's the word? Oh, it's not very long because I just cut the bejeebus out of it. And I've made lots of little propagations from the leaves or from the legs. Anyways, this guy's about to get cut too because I just don't like that legginess, but over here is doing pretty good. Anyways, this silver satin was just, it's so stunning if you've ever seen one in real life. Look, I've got a yellowing leaf. But they're just so beautiful in real life. It's hard not to love this guy, right? So it was the first one that I got. And actually, the second pothos that I got, oh, I didn't even bring it in. Sorry, I didn't bring it in. It's in the other room because I have so many. I didn't know if it was a Manjula or Enjoy. No, a Pearls and Jade. It was labeled as a Pearls and Jade, but it's very clearly, now that I know better, a Manjula. And so I didn't bring it in, but I actually just scored this Manjula. It's huge. This is next to my head at Walmart. I made a video about it like just a couple weeks ago, so you guys could go out and see if you can have one too. But as soon as I learned the difference between Pearls and Jade and Manjula, obviously I have just fallen in love with this. I love that the leaves are cupped, they never lie flat. I love the striking variegation. I never know what the leaf is gonna look like when it comes out. And so this is currently my favorite. I just love how beautiful they are. And I mean, this incredible plant right here, this one right here, this actual one in my hand is my favorite plant, period. Right now, at least. It will change, right? Give it a few days. But let's see, some of the other ones. Oh, well, I take that back. Okay, so I'll say, okay, no, we'll keep going. Okay, so then I started to fall in love with pothos in general because they grow so easily. You can propagate them and share with others so well. And so I went to my favorite nursery up in Kansas City and I grabbed this beast. And this was over a year ago. Look, there's another one. So beautiful. Look at this leaf. Where is it? Here. Look at that. So gorgeous. And there's one right next to it too. That's like half and half. Anyways, I love, this is a marble queen. And what I just love about these is they grow so fast and they're so easy and they're so hardy. And right now mine are a little weepy because it's 64 degrees in the house. My husband doesn't want me to turn the heater on, but I am like this close to doing it because everybody's a little bit sensitive right now. So anyways, I just really love this marble queen too. I don't know how anyone can't love full, lush, vibrant beauties like this. They're so easy to propagate, and I love propagating because it keeps me busy and I love to see roots growing. So let me show you guys all of my little babies over here. Let me try to turn the camera so it doesn't fall. Okay, so like I said, I'm always propagating. Some of them I keep on display so that I can watch them. Some of them I just moved back over into soil, and then some of them I just keep over in a propagating area that's not very cute. It's in a guest room with grow lights because it's fall, winter right now. Anyways, this is a wish list plant for me, and I just got it from my sweet friend. And if you can see, it's a Cebu blue. And these are cuttings, and let me see on the back side if you guys can see the roots in there. Yes, they are growing great. Yes, they are doing so good, and I just absolutely am so excited about this. I love the long, lean leaves. They're definitely a different hue. They're kind of blue silver, and I even have new leaves right there, and there's another one that's opening here too. So I'm really excited about this. I've never had one before. I'm gonna let the roots get very established off of all of the cuttings, probably an inch or two long before I put them in soil. And actually last week I just moved a bunch of them over into soil. This is a little marble queen cutting that I have. Let's see, it was 3 leaves that have propagated into all of this. And I took these cuttings, I wanna say just not even 2 months ago. They're looking so great. I had these in an eastern facing window, sitting in water for 2 months. And just last weekend I plopped them into soil, and look how cute they are. I know I should give it away. Oops, that one's got a little damage on it. Probably from being cold in the window. Anyways, they're doing so good. And I love propagating, I'll say that again. This was the first time, this plant right here, it does not look great right now. This is the first time I propagated my silver satin pothos. And the leaves are a little curled right now. He's so dry. We've got a little brown tip there. Like if you can see that soil, it is crusty. Anyways, I got a little work to do on him, but he's still pushing out new leaves. He's sitting in the southern faced window. Look at that. Oh my God. How do you not love this plant, you know? Silver satin pothos. So the first time I propagated it, and it's doing so good. I propagated it since. This is from just 2 little cuttings. It doesn't look great, but I just plopped it in soil because the roots were like 3 inches long. So I was like, fine, get in soil. Give me some new leaves. And it popped out a new leaf, and then a bug ate it. Imagine that. Anyways, so that's a little bit of background information about my love of pothos, however you say it. So thanks, Martin, for asking for this video. I know that I'll be getting some more in the future. I've really got my eyes on an Enjoy and a Pearls and Jade, but I can't find them anywhere. And you guys know I'm so stingy on my money, and I really don't want to buy plants online because I don't like shipping. I don't want to pay for shipping. I don't want the plants to be sitting anywhere for 2 weeks because shipping is a nightmare these days. And so I'm really just kind of struggling, but I want that Pearls and Jade, and I want that Enjoy. So if anybody knows how I can get one, hook a girl up, let me know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this entire video. You're awesome. I'm really excited that you're here. If you are brand new, make sure you introduce yourself in the comments below. And if you're returning, or even if you're new and you have ideas or questions that you want, videos that you need in the future, let me know. Because the whole reason I do this channel is so that we can build an awesome plant community that helps each other out. Okay, so thanks again, you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.